You can hide. You got left in you? Playing games with me, huh?
am.
Damn. Not afraid of mutants, huh? You're our kind of guy.
What do you mean you can't open the gate? Stop playing around, Danny. I'm standing out in the open here for crying out loud.
I got orders not to get in, Miss Piper. I'm sorry. I'm just doing my job.
Ooh, just doing your job. Protecting Diamond City means keeping me out, is that it? Oh, look, it's the scary reporter. Boo!
I'm sorry, but Mayor McDonough's really steamed, Piper. Saying that article you wrote was all lies. The whole city's in a tizzy.
Ugh! You open this gate right now, Danny Sullivan. I live here. You can't just lock me out. You want into Diamond City, right?
I just got here, but yeah.
Shh. Play along. What's that? You said you're a trader up from Quincy? You have enough supplies to keep the general store stocked for a whole month? You hear that, Danny? You gonna open the gate and let us in, or are you gonna be the one talking to crazy Myrna about losing out on all the supply?
Jeez, all right. No need to make it personal, Piper. Give me a minute.
Better head inside quick before old Danny catches on to the bluff.
I don't take orders from you.
Whoa, take it easy. Yikes. You, come along whenever you're ready.
Piper, who let you back inside? I told Sullivan to keep the gate shut. You devious, rabble-rousing The level of dishonesty in that paper of yours. I'll have that printer scrapped for parts.
Mr. McDonough? Tired mayor shuts down the press. Why don't we ask Summer? You support the news? Because the mayor's threatening to throw free speech in the dumpster.
What newspaper are you talking about?
Mine. Public Occurrences. And we're the hard look at the truth. So are you with us or not?
This really isn't any of my business.
Oh, I didn't mean to bring you into this argument, good sir. No. You look like Diamond City material. Welcome to the great green jewel of the Commonwealth. Safe, happy, a fine place to come. Spend your money. Settle down. Don't let this muckraker here tell you otherwise, all right?
I'm sure your city's a great place.
Yeah, greatest house of cards in the Commonwealth. Until the wind blows.
Now, was there anything particular you came to our city for?
I'm trying to find someone.
Trying to find someone? Who?
My son, Sean. He's less than a year old.
Wait, your son's missing? Oh, you hear that, McDonough? What's Diamond City Security doing to help this man, huh? This isn't the first missing persons report to come through here, and now we have an infant who's been taken?
Don't listen to her. Well, I'm afraid that our security team can't follow every case that comes through. I'm confident that you can find help here. Diamond City has every conceivable service known to man. One of our great citizens can surely find the time to help you.
Well, sure. And a mayor of a great city must know everyone. Who can help me?
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have time for any more questions. I'm a busy man. Enjoy your stay in our fair city.
This is ridiculous. Diamond City Security can't spare one officer to help. I want the truth, McDonough. What's the real reason security never investigates any kidnappings?
I've had enough of this, Piper. From now on, consider you and that little sister of yours on notice.
Yeah, keep talking, McDonough. That's all you're good for. A big Diamond City welcome from the mayor. You feel honored yet? Look, I gotta go get settled in, but, stop by my office later. I have an idea for an article you'd be perfect for.
You're Sullivan, right?
So, you're that traitor Piper was talking about. Something tells me she's pulled the wool over my eyes again. Am I right?
I didn't mean to lie, officer. It all just happened so fast.
Oh, sure it did. Happened so fast you forgot all about basic human decency. Didn't your mother ever teach you to be honest? Hey, what's brought you into town anyway? Be good to note it down in the logs.
I'm trying to find someone.
Is that so? Who are you looking for?
My boy Sean's been kidnapped. He's just a baby.
Oh, look, I'm sorry, but we're under orders not to get involved in missing person cases. There's a lot of Institute paranoia right now. We can't really risk fanning those flames with official action. What if people panic?
I'll ask somewhere else then.
Chin up. Maybe someone in town can help you?
Hey, kiddo. How are the paper sales?
Well, the presses are getting overloaded. That motor is going to go soon if we don't replace it.
Anyone is
Hey, there's a bar on the old theater distance. Combat.
and free shopping right here.
Swaz, right here. Let's go. Fascists in the Commonwealth.
You Nick McDonough with your razor. Be green. Don't mean nothing. Diamond City Surplus. Everything you need.
Don't walk outside the wall undefended. High quality protection for sale.
Hey, swata, 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 swata. Swing, swata.
We buy and sell everything to everyone except synths. No synths allowed
We
here.
got small arms, long arms, ammunition.
an ordinary piece of wood. A swatter is a custom-made piece of genuine hickory.
Hub of trade for all Diamond City right here.
Maybe I should just go. It might be better than going to sleep every night wondering if I'm gonna be there when I'm done.
Leave the wall? You wouldn't last an hour. Shop in safety. No sins allowed at the surplus. On this side of the Green Guardian things.
Swatter, swatter. Who needs a swatter?
If you're hungry, you can grab a quick bite of power noodles.
The latest hairstyles from the upper stands.
Everyone,
Puts on quite a show.
Quite a show.
Hate it when they bring up the Institute. Ain't like folks aren't already scared of them. Anyway, don't let it get to you. Life here is still a hell of a lot safer than out there in the Commonwealth.
I'll be fine. Thanks.
Welcome. So what brings you to the Great Green Jewel?
Looking for someone who's gone missing.
Gone missing? Who is it? Friend? Relative?
My son was kidnapped. His name is Sean.
Your boy's gone missing? That's terrible. I am afraid missing people don't get found in Diamond City. God seems to have turned a blind eye to them. And with all the fear of the Institute in people's hearts, they've turned a blind eye as well.
Guess it's time to look somewhere else.
Sorry I couldn't help you.
Is the Institute spying on your home? Read the public to find out.
Hi. Newcomer, huh? Talk to Abbott at the wall if you want a history lesson.
Around here, we call your haircut the Scav Special. Little flecks of blood, give it a personal touch. You should think about getting a trim. All right. Just sit down, relax, and let the magic happen.
We give thanks to all. Hey, I'd rather be on this side than on the other side, you know?
Sausage. Cleaning out the house.
Who was it?
Don't know. Whoever it was. The one now.
Where are you gonna go?
Make your way out in the Commonwealth with those madmen out there.
For your hair, I'm thinking highlights. Or we could try a short shave on the sides. Or maybe some braids.
Where it is, something bad went down in the old Museum of Witchcraft up near Salem. Why would anyone even go there? Been abandoned forever.
Hey, son, you got anything to help me, you know?
Who needs a haircut? Everyone needs a haircut.
Love,
Step up.
Don't answer that. It's your business. You crush some mentats in coffee in the morning. It'll help loosen the language centers in your brain. Lower anxiety.
You read that article?
Whoever you're
The
trying
public
to
occurrences?
Damn sense. So thirsty. Doctor says I can't drink liquor no more. Cola. Need a Nuka-Cola.
Need some custom hardware? We got
Hey,
a
Sheffield.
free workbench for
So
all
thirsty.
your modifications.
Nuka-Cola.
Scopes, clip sizes, barrels.
Here you go.
Ah, thank you. Thank you.
New guy,
Yeah, I'm the new guy.
Well, it's good to have you here. Name's Arturo Rodriguez. If you need protection, let's talk.
Let's see what you got.
Don't forget to stock up on ammo. Caught dead. Protection from Commonwealth weaponry.
Descriptions, Bill. High quality cams right here.
Do yourself a favor and just say
Yes?
it's all he understands.
Now that's a real guy. Talk to Mo Cronin. He'll fix you up.
You there! You need a genuine, authentic, custom-made hickory swatter.
My son's been kidnapped. Is there anyone here who can help me?
Whoa, listen there, if the paper's right about the Institute, then there's no way I'm getting involved in anyone else's problems.
You're a businessman. How about we make a trade?
You're a little light in the pockets. Why don't you go bother someone else?
Thank you. It's like I can finally think straight.
You read the paper? Nice doc. Damn sense. Hiding among us. You read that article? In Public Occurrences? Damn sense.
Free paper to newcomers. Extra. Is your neighbor really human? We have the exclusive. You need this paper. Everything on the Institute, the public needs to.
Glad you dropped by. You holding up, Blue?
Why are you calling me that?
'Cause you're a vault dweller? I know you're not wearing the blue jumpsuit right now, but the Pip-Boy and the fish out of water look... dead giveaways. So here's the deal. I want an interview. Your life story in print. I think it's time Diamond City had a little outside perspective on the Commonwealth. You do that, and I'll tell you what. I'll come with you. Watch your back while you get used to the world above ground.
All right, Piper. I'm in.
Good. Let's get down to business. So, I know you're from a vault. How would you describe your time on the inside?
My family and I were frozen. I didn't spend much time in the vault.
Wait, they boxed you up in a fridge? The whole time? Are you saying you were alive before the war?
Yes. I'm over 200 years old.
Oh my god. The man out of time. So, you've seen the Commonwealth, Diamond City. How does it compare to your old life?
Honestly, seeing everyone surviving out here, rebuilding the world, it gives me hope.
That's surprisingly inspired, Blue. We're definitely quoting that. Now, I already know you're looking for your son, Sean. Do you suspect the Institute was involved in his kidnapping?
The Institute? Who were they?
That, Blue, is the biggest mystery in the Commonwealth. No one really knows who or where they are, but their handiwork is all over. Synths. Synthetic people. Sent from their hidden labs to do the Institute's dirty work. Sometimes they even replace a person with a synth double. A little covert agent no one would ever suspect. Now, not everything that goes wrong has the Institute behind it, but there's always a chance. That's why I'm asking.
I don't know.
No one ever does. That's what makes them so scary. For the last part of our interview, I'd like to do something different. I want you to make a statement to Diamond City directly. The threat of kidnapping is all but ignored in the Commonwealth. Everyone wants to pretend it just doesn't happen. What would you say to someone out there who's lost a loved one but might be too scared or too numb to the world to look for them?
You can only take it one day at a time. Just keep going. That's all anyone can do.
We're all just doing what we have to, huh? I think my readers can relate to that. That's everything. It's gonna take some time to put this all together, but I think your story is gonna give Diamond City plenty to talk about. Look, about your son. I didn't know if you were on the up and up before, didn't want to waste my friend's time, but I think he can help you. His name's Nick Valentine, a detective extraordinaire. Got an office here in Diamond City. Just look for the neon sign with the heart in it.
Thanks, Piper. I'll talk to him.
He'll like you. He's got a soft spot for the hard luck cases. Anyway, I agreed to come with you, right? Watch your back. Just say the word when you're ready. I can't wait to see where the story goes next. Anything I can do?
It's me! I'm not a synth! Don't move, synth! What have you done with the real Riley? Where's my brother? I swear, I'm not a synth! Don't shoot, for God's sakes! We're family!
Put the gun down, now!
He's a synth! He'll kill us all! Kyle, no!
Okay, show's over. There are no synths in Diamond City, hear me? Just you folks and your damn paranoia.
Hey.
He pulled a gun on me. My own brother.
You're safe now, that's all that matters.
I'm not a synth. I told him. I kept telling him. Why didn't he listen to me? I need a minute.
I need you to step away, Scabber.
All right. I'll leave.
Just go about your business. What's everyone still standing around for? Go back to your own damn business.
Don't let down the home team. Buy a swatter.
Sometimes you gotta wonder, does anyone fight back? Institute has to have enemies, right?
What? You mean the railroad? That's a fairy tale, man. They don't exist.
Now, I heard from my cousin. He knows a guy that works for him. They got a code phrase and everything. Follow the Freedom Trail.
The hell is that supposed to mean? You're full of it, and that kind of talk is gonna get you snatched up by the synths.
Told you your luck wouldn't last forever.
Something wrong?
Another stray coming in from the rain. Afraid you're too late. Office is closed.
I know you must be busy, but I won't take much of your time, miss. It's important.
You don't get it. The detective, he's gone. Missing.
Don't worry, I can help. Tell me what happened.
Nick was working a case. Skinny Malone's gang had kidnapped a young woman, and he tracked them down to their hideout in Park Street Station. There's an old vault down there that they use as a base. I told Nick he was walking into a trap, but he just smiled and walked out the door like he always does.
I'll find him. You have my word.
Thank you. Nick should be easy to spot. He's always wearing that old hat and trench coat getup. Please, hurry.
They say the old boss can come. I believe you eat that booze. Only one thing worth buying in the dugout inn, and that's the booze.
Got too much dirt in that hair? Get it trimmed. You won't regret.
Not attempt to flee. This will be administered swiftly and fairly.
there.
That's what you want!
Commencing attack on hostile target.
No sign of him now.